Hi, I'm Manny from secondopinion.ph and I'm here with the Stargazer X, Hyundai's crossover version of the popular best-selling subcompact MPV, the Stargazer. You might think that the Stargazer X is just a Stargazer with a higher ride height. No, Hyundai actually replaced the whole hood, the whole front bumper, and the rear bumper, among many other things, to transform the Stargazer into the Stargazer X. The side view of the Stargazer X is very edgy, especially in this metallic silver finish. I love the color. It brings out the space age look, but not too far out. The rear is very distinctive with a HE-inspired design of the taillights with this red strip crossing over. It's spectacular at night and I applaud it. As you can see, there's a lot of space, legroom, headroom in the second row seat of the Stargazer X. It's got second row vents with its own controls, so everyone will be comfortable, nice and cool here in the back. It has some nice nifty features like this fold-up tray, which has a cup holder. You have two USB slots here, a small cubby hole where you can put your cell phone or your power banks, and of course, cup holders in the doors. There are actually 4 places where you can put cups or bottles on each door. The niftiest part of the Stargazer X is its versatility. It is a 7-seater subcompact crossover after all. It's so easy to put any configuration of people and cargo inside the cabin. So with the flick of a lever, you get flat folding seats if you want to put something long, and then flip it forward to ease access to the third row seat. As you can see, the third row seat is not exactly a penalty box. I have decent legroom here. The seat back angle is comfortable. I have my own big cup holder here also. There's even a 12-volt socket here for my accessories. So I can actually ride here all the way to Baguio. The Stargazer X has an excellent 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. But what I like the most about it is it has buttons actually. So you don't have to always take your eyes off the road. So it's very easy to use, very intuitive. I like the combination of piano black and silver trim on the dashboard. The aircon vents are very futuristic but still with a little bit of retro in it. And this is cool because it has a shelf here. You can put cards there, tall receipts, whatever, and there's a shelf here also. You can add more stuff, and it also has a wireless charger here. Driving the Stargazer X is effortless. It's so easy. The steering is so light because of the electronic power steering. The brakes so easy to modulate. The gas pedal is so responsive. I got to drive this car all the way to Clark, and overtaking was a breeze. The Stargazer X has 4 drive modes. You can go from Eco to Normal to Sport and to Smart, depending on your driving requirements. It's got a tire pressure monitoring system that lets you know if any of your tires are over or underinflated, which is a great safety feature. The Stargazer X has a fully digital instrument panel. The very nice steering wheel has everything you need. Control your audio, adjust your cruise control, among many other things. It's easy to find a nice driving position. Everything is adjustable. The height of the seats, you can move the seat forward and backward. Of course, the angle of the backrest. The steering wheel goes up and down, and it's telescopic also. So anyone from any height, long legs, short arms, long arms can fit in this car. The suspension is nicely soft but not too wallowy. It gives me decent handling without being, matagtag or anything for the rear passengers. The ride is quiet. There's very little wind noise even when I was doing 100 on NLEX. It's got a nice auto hold feature that keeps the brakes on when you let off the gas, which is very useful when you're starting off on an incline. The car doesn't roll back or roll forward, so it holds its line until you step on the gas. Overall, the Stargazer X has pretty much what a subcompact crossover buyer will look for. It's got the looks, the comfort, the performance, the fuel economy, and the versatility that anyone can ask for.